So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to expand sound, video and game controllers. You want to find Realtek Audio. You want to right click on it and then click on properties. And now once this comes up, you want to go to the driver tab. You want to click on rollback driver if it lets you. Then you want to roll back your driver. After you roll back your driver, see if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to click on update driver and then click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick from a list. You want to install the driver that you think is most applicable to your Realtek Audio device. It might be saying Realtek high definition audio, or there may be some drivers that will come down here. You want to pick the latest one and then click on next and you want to install that. After you install it, you want to restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.